Hello, this is Opinion Radar. Today, we're diving into a piece that's been making some serious waves in the affordable fashion scene: the Tankaneo Cropped Striped Jeans. With a price tag of just $37, these jeans promise a lot. But do they actually deliver on style and wearability? In this video, I'm going to give you my honest thoughts, from that initial unboxing moment to how they hold up after multiple wears and washes. We'll explore the unique polka dot striping, the practicality of the crop length for different heights, and just how comfortable they really are for a full day out. So if you've been eyeing these trendy denim bottoms or are just looking for a great new pair of jeans, stick around. I'm breaking down everything you need to know to decide if these are the perfect addition to your wardrobe. Hey everyone, I am literally obsessed with these Tankaneo Cropped Striped Jeans. I snagged them for $37, and honestly, they're such a steal for the price. From the moment I unboxed them, I knew they were going to be a staple in my closet. The first thing I noticed was the material. It's not that super stiff, heavy denim that makes you feel like you're wearing cardboard. Instead, it's this lightweight, breathable fabric that still feels durable. It has a nice amount of stretch to it, which is a total game changer for comfort. I literally wore these around the house for an hour before going out just to break them in, and by the end of the day, I forgot I was even wearing jeans. The high-waisted cut is super flattering. It hugs the waist in all the right places without digging in, which is something I always struggle with when buying jeans. I paired them with a simple tucked-in graphic tee and my favorite sneakers for a casual coffee run, and I felt so put together but also super comfy.
Let's talk about the fit and sizing, because I know that's the most stressful part of online shopping. I typically wear a standard size, and based on the size guide, I went with my usual size and they fit perfectly. However, I didn't notice that the waistband is quite snug at first. It's high-waisted and doesn't have a ton of immediate give in the waist itself, but I found that it does stretch out slightly after an hour wear, molding to your body shape really nicely. It actually provides great support around the midsection, which is amazing for preventing that annoying back gapping that happens with low-rise jeans. For reference, I'm around 5 feet 4 inches, and these hit me exactly right above the ankle. They are definitely a crop style, hitting that sweet spot right at the top of the ankle bone. If you are on the taller side, maybe closer to 5 feet 8 inches or 6 feet, I could see these turning into a high water look on you.
I've worn these out to a few different events now, and they have become my go-to bottoms for basically anything casual. I recently wore them to a concert, and I honestly received more compliments on these jeans than I have on anything else in my wardrobe. Because of a striping pattern, they have this really cool, vintage vibe that makes a basic outfit look intentional and trendy. I wore mine with a cropped black tank top and platform sneakers, and it was the perfect concert outfit. I could dance and jump around without feeling restricted at all. The front pockets are actually functional, which is rare for women's jeans, and they sit in a spot that doesn't make your hips look wider than they are. They're also surprisingly versatile. Aesthetically, these are just super cute. The polka dot striping isn't too loud. It's subtle enough to look like a texture from a distance, but fun up close. The color of the denim is this really nice, vibrant medium wash that doesn't look cheap or faded. I was worried about the dye washing out after a few wears, so I washed them inside out on a cold cycle, and they held their color perfectly. No bleeding or fading yet. The straight leg cut is very modern and slimming. It's not that 90s baggy flare, but more of a tailored straight line that elongates the legs. Even though the material is stretchy, it doesn't bag out at the knees after wearing them all day, which is a huge pet peeve of mine with stretch jeans. Overall, I think these jeans are a fantastic purchase, especially for the price point. They balance style, comfort, and quality really well. The stretchy fabric makes them comfortable enough for long days, whether you're running errands, going to class, or hanging out with friends. While I did notice that the waist takes a little bit of breaking in once it settles, it's incredibly flattering and secure. The high waist does a great job of smoothing everything out. I love that I can wear these year-round, and that they come in other colors because I'm definitely going to be grabbing another pair soon. If you want a pair of jeans that makes you feel confident, trendy, and comfortable all at once, these are the ones to get. These striped jeans are my absolute vibe, and I hope you're ready to make them yours too. If this review helped you out, stripe up your feed by hitting that like button and subscribing for more fashion finds. Trust me, your future self will thank you.